Good morning guys. 5:30 guys. Starting mais lah guys. So mga atulay killer guys. Oh. Morning. Naparami ka kapon? Kapon, ang dami ng huli. Itong kasama ko kumagay. Yan ba yan? Yung maitim niyan? Puta na. Naparami ka kapon? Hindi ako natuloy.
Ano, si Papa Jerry?
Bakit? Yes,
Ba't
sir.
nandito ka?
Shout out.
Shoutout sa mga
Kay
Yan, oh. Mga
Habitat.
kulay lovers.
Mga atulay lovers. Invasion again, may silang kanua. See? Yan guys, so kahapon naman guys, maputi naman nahuli natin, hindi atulay. Kaya yun oh. Pero doon tayo guys, punta tayo doon sa spatan natin sa ano. Yun oh. Yun, atulay din yun oh.
Ito, doon may tao.
Oo, atulay din yun.
Kita may dilim na yan.
Oo. Madilim ang iyong paligid. Shout out! Woohoo! Attack to the tulay! Incha lang kanua guys. Woohoo! Shout out na California guys. Mr. B, Mami Linda. This is the time to catching that tulay in this island. See?
Umabot na kami doon, oh, yung alam mo yung parang nakatayo na yon. Umabot kami doon. Kahahabol lang.
Your habitat guys.
Tawa kami. Nakailang ano yung ibla. Meron dito, meron doon.
Oh, continuous natin guys.
Kaya na, ay takot siya dali. Ayoko bumato. Maganda yung manghuli.
Kaya punta tayo doon guys. Doon tayo sa spatan natin. Sa maputi lang tayo guys. Pag umangat na yung lupa niya guys, mang-atulay tayo.
Yan o.
Oh, maybe soon guys, bibili tayo bangka. Doon na tayo guys. In the future. Right, Mami Linda? Yung bangka mo lang kailangan ko. Let's go. Alright guys. Pantalan naman tayo guys. Oh. Tingnan nyo naman kumagat sa atin guys. Oh. Si mama naman guys. Oh, yun, laki naman ni mama guys. Oh. Okay guys. Palapitin natin dito. Pakop. Guys, oh. Tingnan si mama guys. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yan po. Sus. Mabigat guys. Mabigat. Guys, good morning kay Brother Ryan Bay. See, ilang bisis na naputulan. Yeah, thank you, Father. Shoutout, Mar. Alright, continuous natin guys. Postcards natin guys ha. Alright guys. Continue tayo guys. Habang kumagat si Mama. Ha guys. Uy. Up. Relax. Up. Come on, Mama. Whoop. All right, Mama. Harvest. Continuous lang. Dali. Yeah. Oh. I bring that side. Guys, si Father Ryan, we happy to watching this one. Guys, so come on. Come on, Mom. Come on, come on, come on. Eh. I make it sure guys. Kasi mahirap. Ayya! Kita mo. Tatanggal guys. Kasi laki. Sa bigat niya guys. Natanggal. Alright. Guys oh. Woo. I love you mama. Cut natin guys ha. Alright guys. Done already guys. I stopped already guys. See look. Continuous catching this tulay lobber guys. Even me too. I catching 2. I losing 1. But shout out to Geo Habitats guys. Thank you for your tulay. And that guy is the yellow one. He give me 1 too. And si what's this technician what do you call son? The poker guys. Also he give me 1. That's it. At least I catching 2. I losing 1. I'm losing my putter. And shout out also Father Ryan this morning in the Pantalan guys. I catching 2 maputi and big aguas guys. But after this one I have the video today. I try to catching a tulay guys, but ulit I catching ulit. I already wait. But it's okay guys, at least enjoy. Right? At least you learn what your technique again to catching a tulay and what kind of bait you can using. Right? See? Yeah, that's the one guys. See? Mr. Bartos Desierto, shout out. Say look. There. Hindi guys ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pang 17 ako guys. Kaya nga. Ayan sila guys oh. It's not a lot tulay, but if they're using that one only, the game is only fair, right? See, some people only chismis, say talking or retired, but the tulay only the circle, that one guys. Yeah. Alright. By the way, shout out to Father Brian this morning. That's what the yellow sigid me, that one. Yeah. By the way, this is the guy did me too guys. See? I catch 2, but these people give me this one. Yeah, but I catching the big one, but I lose that one. Yeah. At least I make a kilawin or fry cook today. Or maybe I have sinigang in the house. Yeah. At least meron tayong huli. 2 malalaki. Lose yung isa. Kaya thank you sa tatlong nagbigay sa akin ito. Not bad na already guys. Today is already almost 11 o'clock. Yeah. I load this one. You can watching this one. Okay. God bless guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like and subscribe. And God bless you. I love you mama. I love you mama in the sea. Love you guys. Yeah.